Hello everybody, this is my homework. My homework is American T sound. 1. T at the beginning of a word. 2. True. True and true is fur. True and true is fur. 10. Tyler is new town is top 10. Tyler is new song is top 10. Talk. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Tiger. Tiny tiger takes a taxi to the town. Tiny tiger takes a taxi to the town. Ticket. Thomas got 10 tickets to Thailand tomorrow. Thomas got 10 tickets to Thailand tomorrow. 8 is 2 is 10. 8 and 2 is 10. What time is it? What time is it? Cat. The cat is running ahead. The cat is running ahead. The cat is running ahead. Hot. Today is hot, isn't it? Today is hot, isn't it? Stopped. We stopped to take pictures. We stopped to take pictures. 3. T at the middle of the group. 8. D. Sisters. Silver. 13. 16. 17. Content. Maintain. Entertain. Obtain. Return. Retake. Retest. Between. Determine. Italia. B. D. Unchester. Silver. Betty bought some butter, but the butter Betty bought was bitter. So Betty bought some better butter, and the better butter Betty bought was better than the bitter butter Betty bought before. C. D. Unsettled cerebral. VTV. 1. The standards after interview, internet, intermediate, interface. 2. The standard before curtain, button, content, mutton.